Hi, everybody. This is Kathy Gross-Kurth with Bookkeeping Clean and Simple here in Austell, Georgia, near Metro Atlanta. And today I wanted to talk about some updates and enhancements in the banking center. And as you can see, I am in the Craig's Landscape and Design sample file. And not everybody has these updates as yet. I don't even have them in my books. And some of my clients still don't have those in their books either, but these are all forthcoming. So this is basically going to be a high-level overview. I will hopefully get a chance to do another deep dive, but I also have some previous material on bank feeds and bank rules, and I will put those links down in the comments. But today I just kind of want to touch on some of the changes and enhancements that have been made. First, what you'll notice is that the layout is basically similar to what we have now or what was in there previously. Just a few little things here that you might not have noticed. In the previous version, you can actually click on these links here. In the card view, you can actually still close this back up to click on just the list view and reorder the accounts. But basically, you can go to the register by clicking on reviewing these transactions, which I will just toggle between the savings and the checking so you can see. But one of the things that you'll notice right off the bat is that they have changed some of the nomenclature here. So for reviewed is still the same, but the reviewed is now called categorized, which makes a lot more sense to non-accountant users. And then, of course, the excluded is still there. But one of the things you'll notice right below that is that we have a lot more filtering options available than we used to have before. You can click on the list arrow here and you can filter by all dates. You can also filter by quarter, by week, by month. If you wanted to isolate certain transactions, and this is really helpful if everything is caught up and you just want to focus on a particular month period, you can actually go ahead and put in a different range of dates as well and apply those. You can actually go over here to the next area, and you could always filter by all transactions and recognize, but now they have where you can actually refine that even further by going and filtering by matched, by transferred, and by rule applied. And you can also search by description or check number. And you still have the opportunity here in the small gear to turn on columns, check number. And you can always, and this is what I always tell people that they should do, they should always turn on the copy bank detail to Membo and to show bank details, so that way you can look at that with your bank and credit card statements. If you need to match up pays, for example, you still can click on the column year headings and sort by date, by check number, by description, and then by payee, which is really helpful because you can readily see those areas that need a payee assigned, category, or match if you want to do that. And then the amount spent, amounts received, and all that. So you can still filter and sort by that way. A lot of really neat enhancements. Like I said, I will probably hopefully touch on some of these in a deep dive a little bit later on, but I wanted you to kind of get an overview of what the changes that are coming down are, so that way you can be ready. And like I said, I'll go ahead and put the links in for the 2 videos that I did last year, so that way you can still work on getting those workflows down for the banking center and the bank rules area. Hope this helps you today. Thank you for watching. I would love it if you would like and subscribe to my channel, as well as share it with others. I am adding on average 1 video per week, including the occasional motivational video. I would love nothing more than to help you maximize your usage of QuickBooks Desktop and online. My email is below, as well as the number where you can text me for more information and to set up an initial consult. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.